What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Tony. Today, shut the door first. Today, this company, lasfit, has sent me out a couple interior light bulbs for the ZR2, so we're going to jump right into it and whatnot to installing lasfit. So this is an LED conversion, really LED kit for the interior for the ZR2. It's really nice of them to hit me up. So it's really a simple tool that all we need. So basically all you're really going to need is basically, you can go get these at AutoZone or whatever, part store is close enough to you, is basically a trim tool. That's all you really need. So this is what really comes in the package. Don't really need to do too much of an unboxing video for it. I'm just going to kind of just do this nice and easy. It comes in this really nice black envelope. They got all their little QR codes down here. lasfit. It's really cool that they hit me up, because I know this is actually one of the things that people actually complain about, is having halogen bulbs, which theoretically they should just come with LEDs anyway. So these are basically it. Nothing too fancy. Packaging is really nice. I really like that packaging that it actually gets shipped with. So I got two of them. Basically we can get rid of here and for back here. So let's just jump into it. So I want to kind of just show you guys the difference. So this is the factory halogen bulb, and that's right here is the LED bulb, which is super much brighter. I mean, they're roughly about the same height or so, but this is super bright. I believe they're, I don't know, a few dollars or whatnot, but yeah, so we are replacing this for this, and this is a heck of a lot more brighter than this. So that's bright. That makes a huge difference. So let's jump in the back, and so nicely what you're going to end up doing is just taking your little trim pull. Trim pull, just take it, kind of just take it on from the inside or so. You may feel like you're going to break it. It just pops right down just like that. And basically you have yourself a little, there you go. You have this little LED bulb, or LED, that's not LED, just this little bulb right here or so, and it may be a pain to get out. So, and these things do get hot, so be careful. Now that you got like the one side unpop, you just take your fingers and pull that down. Nice, simple. That's one thing nice about working in the auto industry for Chrysler. You learn kind of all these little tricks and stuff like that to really start pulling these things out. Whew, hard. Really want to know which ones we're using. We're using the LT10. Does come with a 1-year warranty, so if they fall out, I mean, if it was me, oh, that one already. Let's see if we can. Ooh, that's hot. Yeah, let's just keep touching it. The light, or the little LED install, you're gonna see a huge difference. Look at that difference. So then you got halogen, the LED. This is what it should have been from factory. So now we're just gonna turn this off so this doesn't get too hot, and it's actually super simple to install. It's kind of confusing at first, just kind of, I don't know, here's like the flat way. Just gotta really just push it up in there until it kind of pops in. Kind of hard to show on camera especially when it's light out. So let's take out this LED bulb. You can either use let's see here. There you go. Just enough to pop it. Where do you go? Oh, there it is. Can't see anything. So then grab it like this, push that all the way in. There you go. That is super bright. It actually makes a huge light. So then when you're putting these in, make sure you put this little top part back in this way. Up in there. Just make sure that little clip, and just kind of push it up, back up in there. Oh, that's because that's on. Grab the other one. Sorry, I'm kind of fighting a cold right now. There you go. That's much brighter than. Make sure you get them all snapped in. There you go. Sweet. Now, let's jump to the back. So you have the front right there, and then the rear back here. So, close it. So there's a pretty good comparison of how much brighter these are than the halogen. So, I mean, obviously these should have came from factory this way. Again, I think I left my, There you go. Oops, drop the camera. Still see somewhat. There you go. She pop one. Oh, fell straight up. Oh, that's just the cover. That's nice. So obviously, here is the factory up in here. Careful, I'm not sure. No, they're not that hot. Voila. Nice. Actually brighter than my actual flashlight now. So that is nice and bright. You can't really complain for nice and bright now compared to the halogen. So then all you have to do, I'm not sure that really snapped, but that's just the way it's held on there. There you go. Just gotta push on all the little corners here and let there be light. Obviously you can tell, look how much brighter this is in here. I actually wish in there, but you can just tell on how much brighter. I mean, I got my lunchbox and, you know, my son's karate belt and stuff like that, but you can just tell on how much brighter these LEDs are inside the ZR2, which is much better. So let's jump outside the truck and just jump right into it. So while doing that install, while I was doing the install, the first time I actually end up using this, when my alarm went off, they actually sent me a text saying someone was trying to steal my truck. So anyway, super simple install. Like I said, for the interior, I'm not sure too much about the exterior. For the interior, if you guys are looking for it, is the LT10. Right there you go, LT10. Hopefully that kind of comes through. Super install, or super easy install. 5 minutes, if that. That's even really with recording, except for the hardest part was just trying to figure out which way they kind of went back in because of the trying to get it basically to line up properly. But it actually, once I figured out which way they were supposed to go, super simple, just push it up in there and that's it. So nothing really too much. I greatly appreciate lasfit send these out to me, and they last. So hopefully for a good amount. They do have a 1-year warranty on them, so we'll see. Hopefully we don't have to use it, and hopefully that'll be the good. I mean, theoretically we shouldn't be buying LEDs for the inside of a $50,000+ vehicle, or if you just bought the basic at a $48,000 vehicle, these should just be standard anymore, in my personal opinion. And that's it. super simple install on the lasfit. So greatly appreciate you guys hitting that like button, smashing that subscribe button, and we're almost at a 350 or mark. So like I said, my goal is by the end of the year to get that to 500. So we're getting there slowly but surely. I greatly appreciate it, and we still have the rock lights to install, and we're waiting for the other lift kit to come in. So stay tuned for that one if you guys would like to appreciate that, and I'll probably have a surprise for you guys in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned. Sorry if my voice isn't coming through very well. I am kind of fighting a cold. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Oh. If this is your first time checking out my channel, my name is Tony. Like I said in the very beginning, hope you guys have a happy Thanksgiving tomorrow. So enjoy the good food and spending time with your family. So I'll catch you guys. Hopefully that's better. Hopefully you guys... hopefully my voice and stuff is coming through just fine. I'm kind of fighting a cold, so I just want to kind of get those in and get a video out there. So if you guys like this video, please hit that like button, and I greatly appreciate you guys hitting that subscribe button. We're almost up to my first goal is the 500, and we're gonna keep trucking from there. So again, thank you lasfit for sending that out to me for a good review. I first time putting those in, super bright. I'm going to give them a thumbs up so far. We'll see how long they last. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Have a happy Thanksgiving.